In Linux, permissions are set for 3 different types of entities: user, group, and others. For each of these entities, there are 3 different types of permissions: read, write, and execute. RWX denotes full permissions: read, write, and execute. RW denotes read and write permissions but no execute permission. RX denotes read and execute permissions but no write permission. R denotes read permission only. WX denotes write and execute permissions but no read permission. W denotes write permission only. X denotes execute permission only. Denotes no permissions. These permissions are represented by a 9-bit binary number, with the first 3 bits representing the owner's permissions, the next 3 representing the group's permissions, and the last 3 representing others' permissions. Each of these permissions can also be represented by a numerical value, with read permission being represented as 4, write permission as 2, and execute permission as 1. By adding the numerical values of the permissions, a numerical value for the whole permission can be obtained. The value for full permissions is 7, which is the sum of 4 plus 2 plus 1. The value for read and write permissions is 6, which is the sum of 4 plus 2. For example, the command chmod 755 file.txt will give read, write, and execute permissions to the owner and read and execute permissions to everyone else. Chmod command is used to change the permissions on a file or directory. It can either take numerical or symbolic notation. And subscribe please.